Looking for a unique investment opportunity and a second citizenship? Anichi Resort and Spa on the Caribbean island of Dominica is your ideal choice. This luxurious resort, nestled along a picturesque bay and surrounded by emerald hills, is set to become the heart of a tropical paradise for tourists. Anichi Resort and Spa is proudly part of the Autograph Collection by Marriott International and has been approved by the Dominican government under the Citizenship by Investment program. With minimum investment starting at $220,000. The citizenship application process typically takes 3 to 4 months. The benefits of Dominican citizenship include visa-free travel to over 140 countries and territories, a favorable tax climate, access to the Caribbean market, and lifetime citizenship. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Contact us now to explore the possibilities.